Hello friends. In last lecture, we have completed the nomenclature of mono, di and tri-substituted benzene derivatives. And here, all the part of nomenclature is completed. Now we have to move towards next point. It is very interesting point, very simple point, that is isomerism. Now let's start with our PowerPoint presentation, isomerism. Now this isomerism word contain, it is made up of two different words, that is iso and mer. Okay, iso means same and mer means unit. So same unit, and this is the phenomenon of same unit. So something is same in two different units, that is called isomerism. Now let's see actual definition of isomerism. The phenomenon of existence of two or more compounds possessing the same molecular formula is known as isomerism. Such compounds are known as isomers of each other. Is it clear? So it is an existence of two or more compounds having same molecular formula. म्हणजे दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त कंपाउंड्स आहेत त्यांचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे. Now what is meant by molecular formula? Molecular formula gives us an information about which elements are present in particular organic molecule and in which contain. Means, for example, we know the molecular formula, it gives information regarding which elements are present in particular compound. Okay, and when two or different compounds having same molecular formula, or we can say it is an existence of two or more compounds with same molecular formula, this phenomenon is called as isomerism. And that two or three more different compounds, they are called as isomers of each other. Is it clear? Now there are different types of this isomerism. We will see one by one. Now two types of isomerism are observed in the organic compounds, and they are namely structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism. Now this structural isomerism means they should have same molecular formula but different structures. So these include in the structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Stereo is a Greek word. Stereo means solid. So study of solid chemistry in three-dimensional space, it is called as stereoisomerism. Now in 11th standard, we have to study only the part of structural isomerism. Okay, now let's start. First we'll see structural isomerism. When two or more compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formulae, they are referred to be structural isomerism. बघा आपण काय सांगतोय, दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त कंपाउंड त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे परंतु त्याचा स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला डिफरंट आहे. देयर इज अ डिफरंट स्ट्रक्चरल अरेंजमेंट्स आर प्रेझेंट and they are called as structural isomerism, and these compounds are called as isomers of each other. Okay, it is a structural isomerism. Now next, it is stereoisomerism. When different compounds have same structural formula but different relative arrangement of groups and atoms in a space, that is different spatial arrangement of groups atoms is called as stereoisomerism. Now we know that many organic molecules are three-dimensional in space. So the compounds having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but the arrangement of atoms or groups in space is different. Okay, we know that in Wedge formula we have studied, that is bond projecting up, bond going below, etc. Okay, so here two different two compounds having same structure, same molecular formula, same structural formula, but the arrangement of atoms or groups in a space is different. Now see here, D-tartaric acid means it is a dextrotartaric acid, L-tartaric acid, levotartaric acid. Both have same molecular formula, structural formula also same, but arrangement of atoms or groups in a space is different. You can see here these two OH groups. Okay, this is wedge formula or wedge representation. This solid wedge, it indicates that two OH groups are above the plane. Okay, and this is dotted wedge. This indicates that they are below the plane. Okay, so only the relative arrangement of groups or atoms in the space is different. They are called as stereoisomerism. Okay, this stereoisomerism part we have to study in 12th standard. Okay, now in 11th standard only we have to study about structural isomerism. आपल्याला फक्त काय करायचं आहे, स्ट्रक्चरल आयसोमेरिझम इयत्ता 11वी मध्ये शिकायचं. ठीक आहे, तर स्ट्रक्चरल आयसोमेरिझमचे कुठले कुठले वेगवेगळे पुन्हा टाइप्स आहेत ते आपण आता बघूया. Now first is chain isomerism. Very simple, chain isomerism. Now in this, when two or more compounds having similar molecular formula but different carbon skeleton, these are referred to as chain isomers, and the phenomenon is called as chain isomerism. Okay, so compounds having same molecular formula but different carbon skeleton, or we can say carbon chain is different, length of carbon chain is different, such isomers are called as chain isomers of each other, and this phenomenon is referred as chain isomerism. Now we'll see one example, very simple. आता इथं बघा 1 2 3 4 5. This is the chain of 5 carbon atoms. Okay, 5 carbon atoms are present here, and 3 2 5 7 9 and 11 12 hydrogens are present. That is, what is the molecular formula of this? That is C5. Okay, C5 and H12. This is a pentane. Now in this pentane, chain of 5 carbon atoms is present. Is it clear? Now see next. See, this is 1 2 3 4. It is a butane, and to this butane at position number 2, one methyl group is attached. Now if we have seen the molecular formula of this, count the number of carbon 1 2 3 4 5, that is C5, same number of carbon atoms, hydrogens 3 and 3 6 and 3 9, 10 11 and 12, that is C5H12. So you will see that, you will clearly observe that both these compounds have same molecular formula, that is C5H12, but both they have same molecular formula. You can see one compound contains chain of 5 carbon atom, and one compound contains chain of 4 carbon atoms, and one branch, that is methyl group. Okay, so they are referred to be chain isomers of each other. They are referred to be chain isomers of each other. You can see this another one. Here also 1 2 3 4 5, 5 carbon atoms are present and 12 hydrogen atoms are present. Means all these 3 compounds having same formula, that is C5H12, but all of them have different carbon skeleton. एकामध्ये 5 कार्बनची चेन आहे, एकामध्ये 4 कार्बनची चेन आहे, आणि एकामध्ये फक्त 3 कार्बनची चेन आहे. बरोबर, मग याला आपण काय म्हणलं, चेन आयसोमेरिझम. So when 2 or more compounds having similar molecular formula but different carbon skeleton or different carbon chain length, these are referred to be chain isomers, and the phenomenon is referred as chain isomerism. Is it clear? It is very easy. It is very interesting. Now we shift towards next. Next type is position isomerism. Now what it should be? The position isomerism. The name itself indicates or itself self-explanatory. The phenomenon in which different compounds having same functional group but at different position on the parent chain is known as position isomerism. Okay, so here same functional groups are present. Molecules also have same molecular formula, but the functional groups are present at different position. Now how it is, we will see with example. Now see, it is 1-pentanol. Why it is pentanol? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain of 5 carbon atoms, therefore it is pentane, and at position number 1 OH group is attached, that is OL. So the name is 1-pentanol. Okay, now tell me what is the molecular formula? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is C5. 5 carbon atoms are present, C5. How many hydrogens are present? 3 and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. C5H12. Okay, and 1 oxygen, that is C5H12O. This is the molecular formula of this 1-pentanol. Okay, now we'll see another example. See here, 2-pentanol. What is the molecular formula? Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is C5. How many hydrogens? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C5H12 and O. Means both these compound have same molecular formula, that is C5H12O, but you can clearly observe that here the functional group, that is OH group, is attached to different position. That is, in first example it is at one position, position number 1, and in second it is position number 2. Okay, so only the different positions of functional group, so it is called as position isomerism. Is it clear? Now we'll see another example of same type, that is position isomerism. This is but2-ene. 4 carbon atoms are present. Double bond is present between carbon number 2 and carbon 3. But2-ene. And see here, but1-ene. Okay, but2-ene and but1-ene, they have same molecular formula, that is C4H. How many H? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. C4H8. Both have same functional group, that is carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so they have same molecular formula, same functional group, but the position of functional group is different. Is it clear? म्हणून याला म्हणलं आपण position isomerism. Is it clear? Okay. Now next type, that is functional group isomerism. Now what is meant by functional group isomerism? It is also simple. 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula but different functional group, they are called as functional isomers, and the phenomenon is termed as functional group isomerism. बघा याच्यात काय म्हणलंय, molecular formula same आहे, molecular formula is same but different functional groups, पण त्याच्यातले functional group कसे आहेत, different आहेत, त्याला म्हणलं आपण functional group isomerism. Now let's see the examples. See, CS3CH2OH. Now this is CS3CH2OH. What is the name of this compound? How many carbon atoms are present? 2 carbon atoms. Means it is ethane, and OH is present, it is ethanol. Okay, ethanol. Here OH functional group is present, ethanol. Now see, next is CH3OCH3. It is one methyl group, it is another methyl group, okay, and it is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Now, if we see in this OH functional group is present, that is, it is alcohol functional group, and here O functional group, that is ether functional group. One is alcohol, one is ether. That means both have different functional group. But if we have observed about molecular formula of this compound is C2H6O. बरोबर, 2 कार्बन आहेत, 6 हायड्रोजन आहेत आणि 1 ऑक्सिजन आहे. इथं सुद्धा सेम आहे बघा, C2H6 and O. Means both these have same molecular formula but different functional group, and such phenomenon is called as functional group isomerism, and these two compounds are called as functional group isomers of each other. येते लक्षात बघा, भरपूर इंटरेस्टिंग आहे, व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. You can also find such type of different examples. Okay, now we'll see another example. See, this is propanone. It is a ketone, propanone. CH3 C double bond O CH3, propanone. Okay, and it is propanol, CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. One is ketone, that is propanone. हा कोण आहे? कीटोन आहे. And this is propanol. हा कोण आहे? अल्डिहाइड आहे. म्हणजे एकामध्ये कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे, एकामध्ये अल्डिहाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. Both have different functional group, but both have same molecular formula. याचा molecular formula बघा, कार्बन किती आहेत? 1 2 3. याच्यामध्ये किती आहेत? 1 2 3. बरोबर, म्हणजे दोन्ही सेम कार्बन आहेत, C3. हायड्रोजन किती आहेत? याच्यात 3 आणि 3 6, याच्यात 3 आणि 2 5 आणि 1 6, म्हणजे C3H6. आणि ऑक्सिजन किती आहेत? याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा 1 आहे, याच्यामध्ये 1 आहे, C3H6O. म्हणजेच दोन्हीचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे, C3H6O. याच्यामध्ये कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये अल्डिहाइड फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. ओके, सो दीज आर द कंपाउंड्स हॅव्हिंग सेम मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला बट डिफरंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप. दे आर रेफर्ड टू बी फंक्शनल ग्रुप आइसोमेरिज्म. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट example. See, it is ethanol and dimethyl ether. Ethanol and dimethyl ether. ओके, हा फॉर्म्युला आपण स्प्लिट करून लिहिलाय बघा, इथेनॉल आणि डायमिथिल इथरचा. हा जो रेड कलर मध्ये दिसतोय का, हा आहे ऑक्सिजन. ओके, आणि बाकीचे हे जे आहेत ते हायड्रोजन, ब्लॅक मध्ये असलेला कार्बन. इथेनॉल अँड डायमिथिल इथर. ओके, now next is metamerism. Next example is metamerism. It is not a position isomerism, it is a metamerism. Metamerism. Now what is meant by metamerism? It is very easy. Metamerism, in this metamerism, if different compounds with same molecular formula and same functional group, different compounds having same molecular formula, same functional group, but having unequal distribution of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group, they are referred to be metamerism. म्हणजेच काय, याच्यामध्ये कार्बन ऍटमची जी चेन आहे बोथ साइडला ती डिफरंट आहे, त्याला म्हणलं आपण मेटामेरिझम. याला काय म्हणलं आपण? मेटामेरिझम. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी विल सी द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस मेटामेरिझम, देन वी विल क्लिअरली ऑब्झर्व व्हॉट इज मीन बाय मेटामेरिझम. नाउ सी, pentane 2 one and pentane 3 one. Now in this both two examples, what is the functional group present? The functional group present is ketone. बरोबर, याच्यात कुठला फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे? कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. आणि ह्या कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप मध्ये सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ आणि हा सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ, याच्यामध्ये ह्या कार्बोनिल ग्रुपच्या एका बाजूला 2 कार्बन आहेत, दुसऱ्या बाजूला 2 कार्बन आहेत. आणि इथं बघा, एका बाजूला 3 कार्बन आहेत आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूला एकच कार्बन आहे. म्हणजेच अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम on either side of functional group. Different compounds having same functional group, same molecular formula. Molecular जर फॉर्म्युला जर बघितला, किती कार्बन आहेत? 1 2 3 4 5. C5. हायड्रोजन किती आहेत? 3 आणि 2 5 6 7 8 9 10. H10 आणि O. याच्यात बघा 1 2 3 4 5 5 कार्बन ॲटम आहेत, हायड्रोजन 10 आहेत आणि ऑक्सिजन 1. म्हणजे मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे, दोन्ही मध्ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप पण सेम आहे. दोन्ही मध्ये कुठला फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे? कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. बरोबर, C5H10O, दोन्ही मध्ये कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. फक्त फरक काय आहे याच्यात? ऑन आयदर साइड ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम इज डिफरंट. याच्यामध्ये 3 आणि 1 असं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आहे, याच्यामध्ये 2 आणि 2 असं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आहे. इथे लक्षात, याला म्हणलं आपण मेटामेरिझम. व्हॉट वी आर कॉल्ड, इट इज अ मेटामेरिझम. ओके, अँड दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज मेटामर्स ऑफ each other. Is it clear? Now we'll see another example. See here. That is diethyl ether and मिथिल प्रोपिल इथर. आता याच्यामध्ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप कुठला आहे? दोन्ही मध्ये इथर फंक्शनल ग्रुप. बरोबर, हा इथर फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे. आणि याच्यामध्ये ह्या फंक्शनल ग्रुपच्या एका साईडला 2 आहेत, दुसऱ्या साईडला 2 आहेत, आणि इथं एका साईडला 1 आहे, दुसऱ्या साईडला 3 आहेत. म्हणजे मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम आहे, फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम आहे, फक्त कार्बन ॲटमचं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन जे आहे दोन्ही साईडला ते वेगवेगळं आहे. ह्याला म्हणलं आपण मेटामेरिझम. इज इट क्लिअर? द नेम ऑफ दिस आयसोमेरिझम इज मेटामेरिझम. And next is tautomerism. It is very interesting. Tautomerism. Some compound exist as a mixture of 2 or more structurally distinct molecules which are in rapid equilibrium with each other. This phenomenon is referred as tautomerism, and such interconverting isomers are called as tautomers. Okay, so they are exist as mixture of 2 or more structurally distinct molecules, and both they are present in rapid equilibrium. Means one form can be changeable into another form and another into one in fastly. They are in rapid equilibrium. Okay, so this phenomenon is called as tautomerism. You can see here acetone. Which functional group is present here? C double bond O means it is a ketone. Okay, and here OH group is present. It is OH means it is a alcohol, OL. So this is called as ketoenol tautomerism. This is called as ketoenol tautomerism. याच्यामध्ये काय झालं बघा, इंटरकन्वर्जन. हा जो C आणि ऑक्सिजन मधला डबल बॉन्ड आहे, हा डबल बॉन्ड इकडे शिफ्ट झाला. बरोबर, आणि हा जो H आहे, हा हायड्रोजन इकडे शिफ्ट झाला ह्या ऑक्सिजनला. म्हणजेच इथं OH ग्रुप तयार झाला. ऑक्सिजनचं कार्बोनिल हा डबल बॉन्ड इकडे शिफ्ट झाला, हायड्रोजनची शिफ्ट झाली, म्हणजे कीटो ग्रुप कन्वर्टेड इनटू OL, अल्कोहोल. म्हणून याला म्हणलं कीटोइनॉल टॉटोमेरिझम. याला काय म्हणलं? कीटोइनॉल टॉटोमेरिझम. तुमच्या पुस्तकात याचं एकच एक्झाम्पल दिलं बघा, कीटोइनॉल टॉटोमेरिझम. असे आणखी भरपूर एक्झाम्पल आहेत. ओके, आय विल सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. सी हिअर अमाइन फॉर्म अँड इमाइन फॉर्म. अमाइन अँड इमाइन. बघा इथं काय झालंय, हा जो डबल बॉन्ड आहे, हा डबल बॉन्ड इकडे शिफ्ट झालाय. बरोबर, डबल बॉन्डचं शिफ्टिंग झालंय, हा डबल बॉन्ड इकडे शिफ्ट झाला आणि इथला एक हायड्रोजन हा ह्या नायट्रोजनकडे शिफ्ट झाला, म्हणजे अमाइन फॉर्म आणि याला म्हटलं इमाइन फॉर्म. बोथ हॅव सेम मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला. मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला दोन्ही कंपाऊंड सेमच आहे, बरोबर. बट बोथ दे आर प्रेझेंट इन इंटर कन्व्हर्टेबल फॉर्म. हे ऍरो आहेत बघा, इंटर कन्व्हर्टेबल ऍरो. ह्या फिनॉमिननला म्हणलं आपण टॉटॉमेरिझम. इज इट क्लिअर? सो in this lecture we have studied different types of structural isomerism, that is chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, metamerism, and tautomerism. Is it clear to all of you? Thank you very much.